If you've recently encountered security checks on your Gmail account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check recovery options. Once you've verified your identity, check your recovery options. Ensure that your recovery email and phone number are up to date. This will help you receive important notifications and codes if further verification is needed. Step 3. Review security settings. Access your Google account settings and review your security settings. Look for any suspicious activity or devices that you do not recognize. If you find anything unusual, remove those devices and change your password immediately. Step 4. Change your password. To enhance security, change your Gmail password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it is unique and not used for any other accounts. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. To prevent future security issues, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone whenever you log in. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Gmail account and enhance its security for the future. Remember to stay vigilant and regularly update your security settings.